The key to having a successful online store is by having a great product. If you know how to use social media to market your product, if you have good photos and videos, and if you even know how to build your website, but you don't have a great product, chances are that you will not have a successful online store. On the other hand, if you have basic knowledge of building a website or building a brand, but you have a great product, then chances are that you will have a successful online store. In today's video, we'll discuss 6 best products that you can sell online right now. I'll also show you how to find out if your product is viable or not, and I'll also show you how to find more product ideas in case you don't like some of these. Let's go. Hey everyone, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online businesses, mindset, and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's jump right into the products. So number 6 on the list, we have luxury dog items. Luxury dog items has been evolving and growing for decades now, and it's only going to continue to grow. Back in the days, the pet owners would have a house guard dog and never really come in. If you remember the old TV series or movies or cartoons from the 80s or the 90s, you'll remember that all the dogs would always be outside the house. But over the years, this has changed a lot, and now pet owners treat their dogs as their own child. The dog uses the owner's couches, beds, and they'll also have their own special bed. Dogs are now being carried around in strollers, and they'll have their own canopies if they're in the garden or if they go camping with their owners. Point is, people love to spend on their dogs. Now, my favorite tool that I love to use for my business, marketing, and almost everything else is Google Trends. It's free, simple to use, and it really is the best. So on Google Trends, you want to look for a product that has more demand and less supply, and that is what essentially makes a good product. If you look up dog in Google Trends, you'll see it's always on the rise. More and more people are becoming pet owners and dog owners worldwide. A lot of people also got pandemic puppies during the lockdown because they were working from home. They could spend a lot of time with their pets and take care of them. Also, some people were alone, and so the dogs were very comforting for them and did not make them feel lonely, and so the pet owners love to pamper their dogs. If you were a dog owner, what would you want for your dog? As mentioned before, a dog is almost like someone's child. So if your item is something which is going to be creative and comforting for the dog, then they will not hesitate to spend whatever it is that they will have to spend on this item. On number 5, we have gardening items or houseplant items. Gardening is a hobby and a lot of people do it with passion. Now this again is not a particular item, but this category is great. Gardening items, houseplant items, or plant seeds can be a great category to dive into. These things weren't very popular in the past few years, but now more and more people are taking this up as a hobby, and they are willing to spend money for houseplants or their garden accessories. Try to find something that people are looking for. It could be herbs as the plant itself, or it could be seeds of the herbs. It could be, if a tree, then I don't suggest to go for a big tree or something like that, because then that will be difficult for shipping. But it could be one of those small bonsai trees which are very popular, or it could be just a pot to grow them. And if it's gardening items, then there are so many more options. It could be gardening decors which are very trendy, or it could be solar lights and things like that. Targeting and marketing these customers are also fairly easy. You'll find all interested people for this in Reddit or in Facebook groups, and you will be easily able to target them and market to them. And not only market to them, if you dive deep into these groups and the conversations, you will be also able to find out what they're exactly looking for. For number 4 on our list, we have MagSafe accessories. So if you don't know what MagSafe is, the newer iPhones like iPhone 12 and 13, they have a magnet at the back of the phone which is MagSafe, and that allows you to mount your phone and charge also at the same time. So for example, this is a MagSafe iPhone with a MagSafe cover. So for example, if you have a MagSafe charger, all you have to do is to just stick this onto your phone or your phone cover, and then you can go out, do whatever you want, but your phone will be charging without it being connected to a wire. Now, Apple doesn't have a lot of accessories for this. For example, you can come up with a MagSafe mount for any of your gym equipments. You can go to Alibaba and check what MagSafe products are available. They keep bringing out different new products every 2 to 3 weeks. So you can definitely get a lot of product ideas from that. If you like something, you can decide and go ahead with it, or you can gather ideas and come up with something of your own. The next product on our list is matcha. Matcha is honestly kind of an ideal product. First of all, it's super lightweight. It's just dehydrated powder, and once people buy it, they add their own water and make it. So you're selling something which is super lightweight, and it makes it a great product for shipping. Second thing is that it's consumable, and it makes a great product for repeat customers. Additionally, there's a strong community for this who are passionate about it. It could be health focused people or people who just are tea lovers. They specifically love matcha, and it makes it so much easier and better for marketing. And because it shows that it's gradually growing, this could be an indication that this trend is going to last for a very, very long time. Next up on our list is something which is a little heavy and an electronic item, but this is a great one. It is quite popular amongst a particular demographic, and it is an air fryer. I don't even remember air fryer existing before, and now this has become super popular since 2018. People love that there is no hassle of oil or frying, there is no mess, the food is healthy, and it also gets the food done much quicker. If someone buys an air fryer, they for sure go and tell their friends, and they also tell them from where they bought it, and it just makes more and more people to buy this item. And on top of that, people started making all these videos on TikTok on how to use your air fryer and make different things with your air fryer, which are super creative, and these videos have started to go viral crazily. This may not give you repeat customers, but it's definitely going to give you a lot of sales through word of mouth and customer recommendations. It might be a little heavier to ship, but it has a strong market which is on the rise, and it has a lot of demand right now. And finally, the last one and my favorite one, on number 1, we have press-on nails. There are so many things that makes this such a good product. First of all, it's small and lightweight, and it makes it super easy to ship. You can have a huge amount of inventory with you if you want, because it's so small, or you can just choose to drop ship. Either way, it's going to be fast moving because it's a small and easy to ship item. It could be a very easy purchase. Someone could be just scrolling on TikTok or Instagram, and if they like it, they'll just go ahead and buy it. They wouldn't hesitate to spend $20 or $30 or even $40 if they have to, because it's not that expensive, and it's not like an item which is $200 or something like that, and they would want to think about it or come back or look for cheaper options. This could be an impulse easy purchase, and on top of that, this can be a great product for repeat customers. Additionally, the nails don't last forever, so when people buy it, and if they like it, and when they run out of it, they're going to come back for more. This is also an item that comes in different variations and styles, and so that's a huge thing, and particularly because it's nails. For example, if you buy an iPhone case and you like other variations, most likely you'll stick to the one that you got and not buy any other color. But nails is such a thing that people would definitely want to buy more variations and styles, and they would in fact sometimes buy 2 or 3 together at the same time. This product is a great way to get repeat customers, which will cut back on your marketing costs and increase conversions. So those were the top 6 products to sell online. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.